Article 210.21 Outlet devices. Outlet devices shall have an ampere rating that is not less than the load to be served and shall comply with 210.21 A and B. A. Lamp holders. Where connected to a branch circuit having a rating in excess of 20 amperes, lamp holders shall be of the heavy-duty type. A heavy-duty lamp holder shall have a rating of not less than 660 watts if of the medium type, or not less than 750 watts if of any other type. B. Receptacles. One single receptacle on an individual branch circuit. A single receptacle installed on an individual branch circuit shall have an ampere rating not less than that of the branch circuit. Exception No. 1. A receptacle installed in accordance with 430.81 B. Exception No. 2. A receptacle installed exclusively for the use of a cord and plug-connected arc welder shall be permitted to have an ampere rating not less than the minimum branch circuit conductor ampacity determined by 630.11 A for arc welders. Informational note. See Article 100 for the definition of receptacle. 2. Total cord and plug-connected load. Where connected to a branch circuit supplying two or more receptacles or outlets, a receptacle shall not supply a total cord and plug-connected load in excess of the maximum specified in Table 210.21, B2. 3. Receptacle ratings. Where connected to a branch circuit supplying two or more receptacles or outlets, receptacle ratings shall not be less than the values listed in Table 210.21, B3, or where rated higher than 50 amperes, the receptacle rating shall not be less than the branch circuit rating. Exception No. 1. Receptacles installed exclusively for the use of cord and plug-connected arc welders shall be permitted to have ampere ratings not less than the minimum branch circuit conductor ampacity determined by 630.11 A or B for arc welders. Exception No. 2. The ampere rating of a receptacle installed for electric discharge lighting shall be permitted to be based on 410.62 C. For range receptacle rating. The ampere rating of a range receptacle shall be permitted to be based on a single range demand load as specified in Table 220.55.